Finally, mayroon na kayong mini Rick. And we're happy, we're rejoicing actually na finally you become a parent. It's a wonderful world, you know. Mahirap, honestly mahirap, pero it's fun. Ako hindi ko pagpapalit yung buhay na kung ano meron kami ngayon na may baby, and then being singles, It's all worth it. Kailangan kayo talaga yung lagi niyong tatandaan, pareho yung anak yan. Sometimes kasi pag nagtuturuan kayo pag yung bata, makulit, anak na lang nung isa. Pag sila yung anak mo, gano'n. Pero hindi, but honestly, always pray, yung ako naniniwala ako when you raise your kids, yung moral has to start with the, in the house. So, pag minold nyo pa lang sa bahay yan, when they come out, it will show. So, always remember na whatever yung treatment nyo sa isa't isa, he will absorb it. So, just be careful. Tapos be a good example sa kid nyo. Yun lang. For Jane, we're praying for a safe delivery na tsaka for continuous, yung health. Tsaka kay Rick, prepare. Magtulog ka na ng maaga ngayon. Mag-prepare ka na, matulog ka na masarap. And we're happy. Congratulations.
Alright, next. Would you like to say something?
Thank you for having us here with my sister baby, and congratulations. Good health.
Alright.
Take care.
Si Hector na sana. Si Hector na daw. Ay.
Tatay na tatay. Congratulations to you. Siguro sinabi na nila mostly lahat. Just help each other. And be patient. Talagang ganun. May anak na kayo. Darating talaga yung changes na ganyan. So, understand each other, malaking bagay yun. Talagang di minsan maiwasan, magkakaroon kayo ng disagreement, especially. So, but, just stay committed and, help each other. Okay? So, congratulations.
Dito ka, Peps. Dito mo ako.
Oh, sorry.
Hindi, side view lang. Side view lang.
Hindi kasi masyadong against the light.
For Jane and Rick, thank you for sa dala niyong pagkain ng sarap. Yung tinuguan. But we're happy for you, and sabi nga nila, it's kind of hard, pero it's rewarding yung having a baby. And mahilig naman kayo sa baby, so now you're being blessed. It's a gift from God. So always remember that it's a gift from God. Kaya minsan, it will get into your nerve. Lalo na lalaki. I got 2 boys, pero it's a gift from God. Enjoy it because it's fast. So, congratulations. God bless.
Alright.
Isa pa.
Oh, isa pa.
Pwede pa ba?
Magsasalita ka, kuya. Gina. Your turn.
Teka ha.
Sige.
Okay. First, congratulations at last. And katulad ng sinabi nila, dudutungan ko na lang na yung patience ninyo at saka understanding sa isa't isa, ibaan nyo lang. Kasi maraming pagdating sa bata. Magkakaroon talaga ng minsan na hindi pagkakaintindihan kasi paras kayong pagod. But anyway, dahil sa bata, magiging okay din lahat.
May tutong na kayo ha? May tutong utoy ba? Utoy ang tawag?